With corporate headquarters in Switzerland, Vandex's main production plant for Europe and important overseas markets is situated in northern Germany, equipped with the most up-to-date powder blending technology. This ultra-modern plant requires daily deliveries of raw materials in bulk, pumped into internal silos. The Vandex product composition, demonstrated in our laboratory, takes place in an advanced, state-of-the-art fine mortar production unit inside the plant. Each silo contains specific raw materials which are conveyed into production when required. Cement, for example, is an important raw material. The fully automated production process is monitored in real time. Cement is measured and added to a container travelling below the raw material silos. Other main ingredients like quartz sands are also added on the way. Every silo and weighing cell is monitored to ensure that quality requirements are met. This accuracy is best seen by our laboratory example. Finally, more delicate additives are also added. Some are just a few milligrams per batch. A batch is usually 1,000 kilograms, depending on the density and type of raw materials being added to the product. Once all ingredients have been added to the batch, it is time to accurately mix. The batch now travels in the quick lift, rising 2 levels up to the mixer. The mixer is specially developed for Vandex requirements. With high speed, the mixer is much more efficient than our simple laboratory example. Once mixed, the batch is quickly emptied into the filling station. The automated bag filling is followed by the sealing of the bags at an astonishing pace. This is exactly how Vandex produce high-quality products and have been awarded well-known approvals and certifications from all over the world. Just like the Vandex super crystalline waterproofing. Bag after bag is being palletized automatically, but shrink-wrapped in protective plastic with a little help. Once produced, products are carefully stored in the warehouse in one of the 800 slots, ready for delivery, so that trucks and containers can be loaded throughout the day. Quality assurance involves monitoring the production according to our quality procedure. Powder from a batch is commonly checked both as wet mix and in hardened form. Making sample specimens for our mechanical testing is done in-house. We use a slump test to measure the flow of the wet mix. A wet mix is also needed for testing the setting time. The bending tensile testing on our sample specimens result in a clean break. Finally, the compressive strength testing takes place, also one of the tests that Vandex accredited laboratory can perform. Before any order is released for delivery, we want to be convinced of our production quality. Vandex, waterproofing since 1946.